All right, so check it out. This is what's on the menu today. This client just bought this Model 3 Performance used. It's got 119,000 miles. He contacted me. First thing I always do is ask him the trim and the mileage. He told me how many miles it has. I was like, oh my gosh, there's probably some things you should do before you bring us the vehicle to lower it. And so I advised him to talk to Tesla because of the TSB and have them replace his front upper control arms because it's much cheaper for them to do it. They should only charge you for parts if you're out of warranty in theory, so it's pretty cheap to have Tesla do it. And then I told him to come back to us, and when we install his Tein Flex Z coilovers and mount pass adjustable camber arms, that we will also install brand new front lower control arms because we are less expensive on these than Tesla. So we're gonna go ahead and get these on the car with the stock wheels. He has some 20-inch, actually no, he has some 19 by 10s coming in that he'll be putting on later down the line. But we're gonna go ahead and get these Flex Z's on the car and show you guys the results so we can improve his ride quality and give him the lowering stance that he wants. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. This one's all done. Tein Flex Z's on it, MPP rear camber arms, brand new front lower control arm, so compliance arm and lateral links. He's already got a brand new front upper control arm from Tesla, but this thing is all done. His 19 by 10s are gonna come in. We sure hope they'll fit. So I've given him some recommendations on tire sizes. He did buy the wheels from somewhere else, so we weren't able to chime in on what he should do for fitment, but check it out. We got him dialed in. It's just about a 2-finger gap. So once you get his 19 by 10s on here, this thing will be nice and flush. Check it out, same thing in the rear. We got our 2 fingers in the back. We did set up the car, it's completely level for the optimal aesthetics for a street car. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Check out the links in the description below for all of these amazing products. If you're balling on a budget, these Teins are a great option.